Hi everybody, so today I'm going to be opening this. So it's a barf ooze ball. And basically, I got this. So basically, on Saturday night, I go to this learning program, which gives you prizes. So basically, this is what I got. I thought it was really cool, so I took it. So let's open it up. But first, let's see on the back of the instructions. Okay, open the packet and pour out the ooze onto a clean surface. Okay. Squeeze ball and place the mouth opening into the ooze. Release pressure on ball slowly to make it slurp up all the ooze, and then squeeze ball again to barf it all out. Use over and over. So, what's this? I don't think I really need a clean surface because in here there basically is a clean surface already. I mean, I could go get a plate. That would work. Yeah? Okay, so I'll be right back with a plate. So here's my plate. It's really big, not like we need this big plate, but just in case. Okay, so I'm opening it up. Okay, so it's opened, and basically this is really squishy. It's so squishy. This could be like a squishy. This stuff is the ooze. It feels like liquid, so I don't get how this is ooze at all, because on the package it shows kind of like slime. So, got my plate. Okay, I can't really move it, so I'll just kind of do this. So, just gonna put this down for a second. I'm gonna squeeze it out, and then I'll show you. You guys, I took the tiniest bit, and it's such cool slime. It's good slime. It might actually glow in the dark, but it doesn't say, so it might not. But if it does, that would be pretty cool. Guess I would put this in a Ziploc bag because this is completely out already. So ripped. So oh my goodness, this is a lot of ooze stuff. Yeah, there's a lot in here, but it actually feels so nice on the hands. It feels like actual really good slime. So whoever made this made really good slime, because it's really, really good. So, almost got it out, and just doing the last bit, and it'll be completely out. Oh, it feels so nice. I could have just kind of get a small plate, but I got a big plate anyway, just in case. Okay, so it's completely empty. Just gonna put that there, and then we got this. Here, this is how much we have here. Okay, and you could literally play with it. It's such good slime. And if you can make a bubble with it, I don't know. You could try at the end of the video, but let's see the instructions. Okay, squeeze ball and place the mouth opening into the ooze. Release pressure on ball slowly to make it slurp up all the ooze. Alright. I think I get it. Okay, it's not really working. Let's try it again. it's not slurping it. Okay, wait a second. I'm going to do this like so you can't see it right now because it's hard to do it when you can see it. So, just really quickly. Oh, this really doesn't work. Oh my god, you guys, it's working. Oh my god, it worked. You guys, it worked. It's all inside. I have proof. It seriously worked. And now it says to squeeze ball again to barf it all up. Use over and over. So, let's see. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. There's absolutely nothing inside. And now, we could like play with it. It's not sticky at all. If you like slime, I don't really make slime that often, and I don't really have a lot of slime. So, if you like slime videos, you could go check out Crafty Girls. I'll link their channel in the description. Because they make a lot of slime in their videos. So if you like slime, go check them out. And I'm sure they'd appreciate it. So if they're watching this right now, they make really good videos. I watch them all the time. So fun. I'm gonna try and make a bubble if I can, I will show you. It's just hard to do it on camera. Nope, doesn't make bubbles. That's okay. Okay, now that I get how to slurp it up, I'm going to do it on camera. Okay, wait a second. Can't really see it. It's at the, edge. Okay, slurping it up. See that? If you can see the inside, you can probably see, whoa, now we squish it again, and slurp it up again. There. It's all inside, proof. This is over now. You can spit it out. Ooh, there's a little more in there that just got stuck. Okay, 1 second, you guys. I will get it. There, got it. I'm sure you saw that on camera. This stuff is so cool. Okay, so let's go into my room. Since I haven't turned the light on, as you can see right in the back of me, let's go inside, close the door, and see if it glows in the dark. Okay, so you might not be able to see me that well, but if it glows, you'll be able to see a lot. Okay, just close the door. Let's see if it glows. Nope, no glow. Yeah, if it doesn't say that it glows, it might not actually glow. So, set this back down real quick. It's not sticky at all. You should really check out Crafty Girls. Whoa, sorry, that just fell. But you really should wash your hands after this, because it could have chemicals and stuff, and it won't, if you're eating right after, won't be very good if you're eating. Plus, this is clear slime. I can see on the camera that this looks like white slime, but if you see this like in real life, you could tell by like stretching it out. It looks like white slime to you guys, but it's actually really clear slime. But the more I play with it, I'm gonna have to store it like a few days once it starts to get like fogged up. Unless this ooze, for some reason, you don't. Whoa. This is the best. So happy I got this. Okay, I think I'm gonna end it because since in my room when the light's off, you can tell that it's pitch black, which means it's nighttime. So because of that, I am going to be having, it's not actually late, see what time it is? It's 6:41 p.m. So, since it's not very late, even though it's not very late, my mom's going to start getting my dinner ready in about 10 minutes. So, yeah, so I think I'm going to basically end it right now. So, wait, before you go, since it's clear, can't really tell when you make a swirl, but I just made a swirl, even though it looks like a blob. Okay, bye guys.